In this video, we're going to look at the control panel, the panel which you use to control the options within the meeting. And if you place your mouse pointer anywhere on the screen, you'll see the control panel right in the center. So we're going to look at the options here. The first option is the one to hang up. It'll end the meeting. The second one from the right will show or hide participants. So you'll see a list of participants over here in the pane on the right hand side. The next one is the chat function. So you can type a message and it will display on the right hand side, and any answers to that will also display under your message. The center option, the three dots, will give you more actions where you can record the meeting, you can blur the background, you can turn on live captioning. That means what will be said will be displayed at the bottom of the page, a bit like you can do with YouTube videos. They're the main options under other option, more actions. Now, during a meeting or while you're working with a class, you may want to display what's on your screen. To do that, you click on the share button right in the middle of the control panel. So I click that, it will open a pane on the end. It will show me the programs or the web pages that I have open, the things I have running on my computer, and if I click on any of these, it will display it on the screen here instead of me. In this case, I'll just bring it up here and display a YouTube page that I have open. Now I can click back here on the bottom right then to go back to the main screen. To stop casting my desktop or what's on my computer, I click here on stop sharing. My other options then, I can mute the microphone or mute the video. So those are the options, or that is the control panel that allows you to control what you display and what you see in a meeting.